Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to import sports data tables into the Google Sheets. Let's begin. Once you have successfully opened your Google Sheets, I want you to, for example, go to this website, which is basketball reference. We will use this as an example. So we just easily need to click on any tabs in here that will show any tables. Then copy the link. Okay. Then over your Google Sheets, we can type this formula or command. It's going to be equals import HTML. You need to select that. Then you need to add quotations, add the link, then close it with another quotation, do a comma, quotation, and then type in table all on caps. Table, then close the quotation, add a quotation mark to close that, then add another comma, number one, and then close captions. Hit enter and it will load, and there you go, you're done. Sometimes it might show that you need to allow access over here. Click allow and then it will show the entire table. You're done. I hope you found this video very helpful.